Hello, everyone. Welcome to our evening forex trading live session. So, um, yesterday, okay. So sorry, wait, just a minute, guys, please. So yesterday we had an introduction to the BtcDana trading app, but I'm sure most of us weren't around. So for those that are just joining us today that wants to learn how to trade forex on BtcDana trading application, you still have the chance today, okay? So because I'm going to be repeating everything that we did yesterday, everything, and also placing a trade on our demo account, okay? So my name is Leo and I remain your guide. Okay, so let's go into um if you want to trade forex, the first thing you need to do is you have to be you need to get familiar with the platform you are going to be using, okay? So this is BTC Dana trading application, and you need to get familiar with the application before you can start placing any trade. The reason why I have said we should restart this again is because this afternoon when we took some trade, some people were complaining that they don't know how to place order. Okay, so that is why I have promised myself that I was going to repeat everything we did yesterday. So now we are going to start from the beginning, just like yesterday. We are going to start from the very beginning. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Okay. So yesterday we talked about how you can start trading using the BTC Dana trading app. So now for you that is just joining us today, this is how you start to trade. Okay. So this is how you start to trade. Firstly, you want to come to your market here. Okay. You want to come to market here, and then here on this market we have different assets. Okay. BTC Dana trading application has different assets. So in case you don't know what forex is, let me just start from there. Forex means foreign exchange. Okay, so it is a process in which you buy and trade foreign currencies. So assuming you have naira now, you want to exchange it to USD. Okay, so when you go to Abuki or Bureau de change, wherever you change your dollar, so the process in which you exchange your dollar for another currency, or maybe your naira to another currency, means foreign exchange. Okay, and the forex is always traded in pairs. The forex is traded in pairs. So this is what we mean by pairs. Because if you are going to Aboki now, definitely maybe you want to change your naira to USD. That is the US dollars. When you get there, what are you going to do? You are selling your naira to them, okay, while you are buying dollar, and they're going to give you the equivalent of the amount you give to them in naira. They are going to give you the equivalent in dollars. Okay, so that is what forex basically means. So now that is the introduction part. Now if you want to start trading forex, you need a platform. Okay, you need a broker company, and so BTC Dana is a broker company. Okay, so they are the one that connects you, and if you as a trader, they connect you with another trader. Okay, so the very moment you are buying, there's another trader that is selling. Okay, so they give the other person you are buying, they sell they sell his own to you while they give him your own buy. So all of this is done automatically online. Yeah. So if you want to do it on the local way, which is the Aboki way, you have to go to bureau the change and change your dollar. So, but this one you do it online, and that is why you need a broker. They are like the intermediary. Okay, so you need them. You need to register with them, and then that is where you are able to trade whatever currency pair you want to trade. Okay, so and like I said, currencies are always traded in pairs, and these are the pairs. As you can see, they are merged together. They are always in two. What is pair? Pair means two. Okay, so Euro USD, this is two pair. So this is European currency and US dollars. Okay, here we have USD and JPY, that is United States dollars and Japanese yen. Then here we have GBP. GBP is Great British Pounds against the United States dollars. Okay. Then we have the Australian dollar against United States dollar. Okay. So and so on and so forth. That is just it. So now to start trading, it is very easy. Okay. To start trading is very easy. All you have to do is just come to your chart. So now that you understand what forex basically means, what you want to do next is you want to start trading, isn't it? You want to start trading. And why are we trading? We are trading because we want to make money. So if you are here, definitely you want to make money. That is why you are here. Okay. So as a new beginner, there's no rush. Okay. So you want to learn everything step by step. Okay. Rome wasn't built in a day. So whatever you are doing is going to be step by step. And while you are taking this step, we have a premium channel. Okay, so on the premium channel, what we do basically is we give premium signals every day. And if you don't know what signal is, let me make you understand. Signal is, you see on this platform right now, you are either selling or buying. Let me just show you this before we go into the other part. So look at this right now. This is the market. Okay, this is what you are here for. This is what you want to be doing. So you are either buying or you are selling. But how do you know when this market is going to start buying? That is what we do for you. Okay, so I will be analyzing the market for you, showing you when the market will start buying or sell. Okay, I'll be giving you the signal. So as a newbie right now, you might not know how to do all of these things yourself, okay? Because you are still in the beginning part of the learning, okay? So what I do is I will be the one doing the major part of the work for you. All you have to do is just be with your phone every time I drop the signal, and then you enter it exactly how I'm going to show you later in this lesson, in this session, okay? So I'm going to be showing you how you can, interpret the signals that I'm going to be sending. But firstly, before you can get into the premium channel, all you have to do is deposit $15 in your BtcDana trading application. Okay? So the $15 you are funding is not for me. I'm not asking you to pay for the signal. Okay? What I'm simply saying is deposit it into your own account. Okay, fund your account with $15 right now on this live stream. So for you to get qualified, it has to be on this live stream. If you already have um if you already have dollars in your trading account and you didn't deposit it on this live stream, it's not going to be counted. Okay, so for it to be counted, it has to be on this live stream. You can actually deposit any amount, but I'll advise you to deposit up to $15, because if you deposit up to $15, that is when you can be qualified to get into the premium signal. So I hope we understand what the premium signal is all about right now. Okay, so I love to call it um, the money making signal, the money making channel rather. Okay, so it is there. If you would deposit $15 right now, I'll get you into the premium group, and then you start making money gradually. Money is a great motivator, guys. Okay, so you start making money while you are also learning. Okay, that is what we do on this platform. We are teaching you while you are also making money from this trading application. Okay, So now let's go into the learning part. So you still need to get familiar with with this platform before you can start placing orders. Okay, because whenever I drop any signal, when you pay for the premium channel right now, when you deposit fund on your account to be qualified into the premium channel, you still need to know how you are going to start placing positions. Okay, and that is what I'm going to do right now. So first of all, I've made the introductory part of trading. Yeah. So the next thing right now is I already told you what a broker is. Okay. What this company, this BTC Dana trading application, what they do basically. Okay. I told you they are the brokers. They are the one connecting you. Either you are buying or you are selling. So they are the one connecting you to the people you can sell to and buy their own, or the people you are buying from and sell your own to them. Okay. So that is basically their own job. Okay, so your own job right here is to trade. Your own is to buy or to sell. Okay, and here we have different assets. Okay, but you can look into that later, and you know, you can just play along, just grow on all other part of these assets and see which other one you love. But right now we are focusing on forex because that is why we are here. Okay, so the most popular financial trading asset is the forex assets. Okay, we call it the currencies. They are currencies. Okay, so they also have cryptos that you can look into later. If you want to start trading crypto also, you can trade crypto here. Okay, so they have metals. Okay, this is our gold, this is silver. Okay, then they have indices. So these indices, they are United States stocks. Okay, United States stocks, so they are compiled in maybe 5 6 companies that makes up one of these. Okay, and this is the US crude oil. Okay, but mind you guys, those pairs, they are very volatile. And what I mean by volatile is they can easily chop your money. Okay, so if you are having $15, if you're having below, let me just say, if you're having below $50, don't even bother coming to this side. Okay, don't get near all of this. So let's focus on forex. Okay, let's focus on forex. So now the first thing you want to do after understanding all of this concept, what you want to do now is you want to come here on this forex and choose any asset you like. Okay, they are all the same thing. The only thing you need to do is your how you are going to view the market. Okay, so that is the only important part of it, but they are all the same thing. The way you are going to make your analysis, so analysis is also part of what we are going to be learning today. Okay, so because if you want to take any trade, you need to know what is happening in the market. But let me tell you, it is not an easy journey. How is it not an easy journey? Because everything you are going to learn now, you are going to have to put it into use. Okay, you're going to have to put it into use. So gradually, you get there when the time comes. Okay. So, but for now, like I said, our premium channel, you still be making progress in your learning while you are making money. Okay, so that is what the premium channel is there for. And to get in, all you have to do is deposit $15 on this live stream. And if you don't know how to deposit, go to the chat room right now. Okay, go to the chat room right now. Click on that banner, the banner with deposit. Okay, we deposit on it. Banner. On that banner, you see deposit with benefits. So just click on that banner and you'll be able to deposit on your account. Okay. So with that said, now let's open any of this pair here. Let's open any of this pair here. So you see here we have time frames. Okay, we call these time frames. So on this time frame, you want to see how the market is moving on every time. Okay, so this is the 1 minute time frame. This is the 1 minute time frame. This one is it moved in seconds. Okay, so this is more like ticks. Okay, we call it ticks. So every time the market makes a move, it, you see, is making move. So we call it ticks. Then we have the 1 minute time frame. So what is happening on this 1 minute time frame is every candle printed here will take 1 minute to print. Okay, every candle you are seeing here, all the whole candles you are seeing here, each one of them takes a minute to print. Okay, you see this current one right now is still printing. This current one right now is still printing, and it will take 1 minute before it finish printing. Okay, so it's already finished printing right now. If you set your stopwatch when this started, you see that it takes exactly 60 seconds equals to 1 minute to print. Okay, so if you count from here to this area right now, we have how many candles? Okay, let's start from this green. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, to this red. So from here, from this green here to this red is 24 candles. Okay, that means it took from here to this here, it took 24 minutes to print all of these candles. Okay, so that is what I want you to understand. It took 24 minutes to print here to this candle. Okay, from this candle to this candle took 24 minutes to print. So each candle here is going to be printing in 1 minute because we are in the 1 minute time frame. Then we have the 5 minute time frame. So this 1 minute time frame, just like the 1 minute time frame, is going to take 5 minutes for one candle to finish printing. Okay, it's going to take 5 minutes to finish. So five of these, 1 minute, five of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one candle in 5 minutes. Okay, so that's basically what it means. The same thing for the 15 minutes, the same thing for the 30 minutes, and the 1 hour time frame, and so on. Okay, so we have the 15 minute also. It took 15 minutes before this candle finishes printing. Okay, so you see, they have the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. So if you click on the daily right now, you see it took a whole day, a whole 1 day. That is from yesterday till today for this candle to finish printing. Okay, and every candle opens around 10 p.m. at night and closes around it ends around 10 p.m. and then opens another new candle around that time, around that same time. Okay, so this candle right now, this particular one you are seeing here right now, is going to close anytime from 10. Okay, so that's basically what it means, and that is how the candles here, all of these candles you are seeing right here, that is how they get printed. So each one here takes a day before they can finish printing. Okay, so now I'm back to my 5 minute time frame. So if you want to take a trade, before you can take a trade, you must be able to see what is going on in the market. Okay, and here we have two indicators. Okay, so we call these indicators. You see these lines, we call it indicators. We have this yellow, we have the blue, then we have another one that seems like purple. Okay, so we have three lines here. Actually, we have three lines here. Now this first one, we call it these indicators are called the moving average indicators. Okay, the moving, look at it, indicators, moving average indicators. Okay, so this is the MA. MA means moving average. Okay, then down here, this is the MACD. This is the MACD indicator. Okay, so on the screen, on the chart right here is the moving average indicator. Then here is the MACD indicator. Okay, so I want to teach you a simple strategy that you can easily use to make money. but you need to learn. Okay, you need to use your demo to learn. Okay, so don't worry. After explaining this, I'm going to show you how you can get your demo account. Okay, so demo account, they are virtual accounts. Okay, that is you have a virtual money inside. The virtual money is not withdrawable. It's not your money. You didn't deposit it there. Okay, so the company is just giving it to you so that you can use it to learn how to open positions. Okay, it's not money you are going to be able to withdraw. Okay, so now look at this moving average here. Something is happening around here that I want you to pay close attention to. You see this long moving average, we call it the yellow one. This yellow one, we call it the moving average 200. Okay, we call it the moving average 200. And what the moving average 200 does is whenever the candles are below it, it's saying the market is going to go down for long. And whenever the candles are above it means that the market is going to go up for long. Okay, so that is basically what the moving average 200 stands for. Okay, so it just gives us an edge of where the current trend is. Okay, and for you to get the real place where the current trend is, you want to come to your higher time frame, maybe like the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, or even the 4 hour time frame. Okay, you can come to 4 hour like this to see what is going on. You see, look at the yellow. Now the yellow is below. Okay, when it is below, it means this market is going up further. So euro USD is on uptrend right now. That is what this indicator is telling you. Okay, so for you that maybe you've never paid attention to these indicators or you don't know what they mean, this is basically what they mean. Okay, so this 200 moving average right now is telling you that this market is going to go up further. And you see, the very moment this market crossed it, you see it started going up. And this is 1 hour time frame. It took 1 hour to print one whole candle here. Okay, so now let's go back to our 5 minutes where we can see those things clearly. Now back to the 5 minutes. You see the second moving average, that is the blue moving average, and then the purple moving average. You see, they are always crossing each other. Right from here, look at this. They crossed each other here. The blue is on top of the purple, signifying that the market is going to go down. Okay, so every time they cross each other, the market is always making a move. Okay, so every time they cross each other, the market is always making a move. Now, the blue is on top of the purple right here. That is why this red is coming down. Okay, and if you look closely on this part right now, you see that the purple is on top. Okay, the blue is below. Okay, telling you that this market is going to go up. Okay, remember I said when the blue is above, the market will come down. But when the purple is above, the market will go up. And look at this. The same thing happened here. Okay, the same thing happened here. Look at this. The blue is on top. Okay, it crossed above, not below. It crossed above the purple. Then what happened? The market started coming down. This is 5 minute time frame. This candle, this candle, this candle is money, guys. Okay, so I'm teaching you this so that you can have a focus on what to start learning. Okay, so these are things you need to pay attention to. So when you have your demo account, you can just pay attention to this. Just come to any pair, open it, and see what is going on the moving average. Then just try to learn how the market works. Okay, then when you are comfortable and you see I'm making profit on my demo, you can now switch to your real account and start placing the trades yourself. And don't forget, now that you are a learner, you can make money. Okay, and how do you make money? All you have to do is just deposit $15 on your account right now. Deposit on this live stream. Okay, the money you are depositing, I'm not asking you to pay me. Okay, all of this thing I'm doing for you is for free. Even the signal I'll be providing you is for free, but you need money to make more money. Okay, so you need to fund your account. You need to fund your BTC Dana trading application. So when you fund it, you use the money to trade. Okay, So you fund with $15 right now. I get you into the premium group, and every time I drop the signal, you just place the signal on your own trade on your own chart here. Okay. So when I say sell, you sell. When I say buy, you buy, and then you start making money. It's just as simple as that. Okay. So, but as for our learning part, this is what you have to do every day so that you get, familiar with how to use the platform. Okay, so that is why I'm showing you how you can start using these indicators right now. So guys, let's move along. Now, remember when I said, you remember what I said here? I said the market, whenever the blue crosses the purple, the market is always coming down. Okay, and whenever the purple crosses the blue, the market is going up. So let's look for another market where such is happening. Right now, this market already made a move from here to this place. Okay, so until our purple crosses the blue, there's no trade for us here. Okay, we want to place the trade immediately it crosses, not after. Okay, immediately it crosses here, that is when we want to place a trade, not when we saw it here. Right now there's no crossing here, the market already crossed from this area, so this is where you could have entered this trade, okay, and sell to this area, then just go out with your profit. It's just as simple as that, guys. Okay, so now let's go to another trade. Okay, let's go to, okay, let's use USDJPY. Let's use USDJPY as our next example. Okay, so this is USDJPY, and as we can see, let's go to the 1 minute and see what is going on the 1 minute. Okay, so on the 1 minute we actually have a cross. Okay, you see the blue crossed below, not above. Okay, it's the purple that crossed above. So when we have this cross above, what happened? The market start to move up. Okay, guys, it's just as simple as that. So now we have demo account. Okay, so this demo account is for you to train yourself so that you know how to trade the forex market. Okay, that is why they have this demo account. And to get this demo account, what do? All you have to do is just click on it. Okay, click on this demo account. So when you click on it like this, it's going to bring up a box for you like this, an option box. Okay, so if you click here on your own account, if you don't have a demo account, you can just come to your front page like this. Okay, what I did was I just clicked back. Okay, there was a back button here and I clicked it. Okay, let me go back. Maybe you didn't see when I clicked it. I just want to make sure that we are familiar with the platform so that by tomorrow we will not be complaining that, we don't know how to place trade. So you see, this is what I clicked. Okay, this less than, you see, the button that looks like less than. So I clicked it and it took me back. Okay, so then you come to your home right here. You go to your home and click on demo. Okay, so when you click on demo, if your demo is not activated, it's going to tell you to activate your demo. Okay, so when it says activate demo, click on activate demo. Okay, and then here is where you can set any amount you want to be trading with. Okay, and this is only for learning purpose. You can't withdraw this here, the virtual money. Okay, the virtual coin, they are just here so that you can use it to learn how to trade. Okay, so I can edit this to any amount I want. This is 5,055 coin right here, but I can reduce it and I can even increase it. Okay, so let's just say, okay, maybe we want to add, let's say we want it to be $10,000, 10,000 coin. See, because here amount is the least amount you can add here, the least amount you can decrease it to is 50 coin. Then the higher maximum amount you can increase it to is 10,000. So you see it has changed to 10,000 coin. Okay, so that is how the demo account works. Now let's go back again I have my demo ready. If you don't have your demo, please click on demo and get your demo now. If you don't have the demo, click on your demo and do exactly what I did just now. So now you want to come to market. Okay. You want to come to market. So we were using, we wanted to use USD JPY. Okay. So let's click on USD JPY. So let's just assume that this is where we saw our opportunity. Okay. Let's look at other time frames. Let's look at what is happening on other time frames. So what I'm teaching you here is basically how you can easily take a trade. Okay. So look at the 15-minute time frame. What do we have? We have all of our moving average below a candle. Okay. A candle has crossed all of our moving average. So now what this is basically telling us is we are in uptrend. Okay. Because our 200 moving average here, which is this long moving average, the yellow one. Okay. Our candle has already crossed it to the top. And I told you anytime a candle crosses it, either crosses it to the top or crosses it below, it means the market is either going to go up or come down. So if it crosses above, it means the market is going to continue to go up. If it crosses below, it means the market is going to continue to go down. And now we have a cross above. So what does it mean? It means the market is going to continue to buy. Okay, and this is the 15-minute time frame. You don't want to trust your 1 minute and your 5 minutes so much. Okay, so whenever you want to place a trade, make sure you are checking the higher time frames. So what I mean by the higher time frames, those are the higher time frames: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, so you can check your 1 hour and see what is happening on your indicators. That is your moving averages. Okay, so you see here, um our yellow moving average, a candle has also crossed our yellow moving average, okay, signifying that this market is still going to continue to the upside. Okay, so coming down to the 30-minute time frame. So you see, coming down to the 30-minute time frame, we have the same thing. Okay, and then we have a cross of purple to the top, which is signifying a buy position. Okay, then we have the 15-minute also showing us the same thing. Okay, so whenever you see all of these um requirements, when you get all of this, the next thing you want to do is you want to place your trade. Okay, so just take this as the requirement you need before you can open a position. You see, all of this now means that this market is going to go up further. Okay, so what do you want to do? You want to buy. Okay, you want to buy. Before you buy, make sure your account is on demo. Okay, look at my own. We are on USD JPY chart right now. Okay, and my account is showing demo. If you don't have demo here, click on that demo, click on that side, click on it and choose demo. Okay, choose demo account and click confirm. So after confirming, you want to place a buy trade. Okay, you want to place a buy trade, and this is how to place a buy. You see, I said position, this is position, and I clicked buy. You see, order successful. Okay, order successful. Now I can close or I can check my order. So if I click on check order, it's going to take me to where the market is reading. You see, this is the USD JPY that we just placed a buy trade on. Okay, and this is where our market is reading. This is our market reading right here. Okay, so this is a trade from yesterday that we use for our evening session. Okay, these are trades from yesterday we use for our evening session. So you see, this is when you are in profit and this is when you are in loss. Okay, so right now euro USD is in loss. Okay, so it's reading minus 4.97. That means I'm losing $4.99. Okay, and here I'm making a profit of $6. Okay, so whatever you are seeing here is in dollars. Whatever you are seeing here, you see this calculating is dollars. So my overall profit right now is I'm making $1.24. Okay, that's basically what it means. And if you want to see the other informations about your profit, you can just open here. Okay, remember we were having our balance is 10,000. Okay, and this is the profit we are making on top of our 10,000. This is $14. Okay, so let's just close this and go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. We can just go to home or go back to market. Okay, you can just go to home or go back to market. If you go back to home, it's going to send you back, to the front page. Okay, this is the front page. So now, or you can just go back to the market and look for another opportunity. Okay, but before we open another opportunity, I want to show you another thing that is interesting. I want to show you another thing that is very interesting, okay, and very, very, very important. Now, whenever you are placing a trade, there's what we call stop loss and take profit. Okay, so whenever you see somebody writing SL or TP, so they are just a short for a stop loss and take profit. Okay, so what those stop loss and take profit do basically is, whenever you have a stop loss, it means that you look at this market right now. We said the market should buy. Okay, we are predicting that this market is going to buy. Okay, so let's now assume that this market started to sell after we placed a buy trade. After we said it's going to buy, we placed the trade, we placed the buy trade, then it started selling. That means we are losing, isn't it? Okay, so now would you just leave your money inside while you are losing? No, you don't want to do that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to set a stop loss. Okay, stop loss, that is stop my loss. Okay, so so that when you are losing, when you are on the losing part, on the losing streak, okay, when the market gets to that particular point, you want it to stop your loss, is going to stop losing. Okay, and when it stop losing, your market will automatically stop. Okay, your trade will automatically stop when it gets to that point. You will not be losing money anymore, because since the market you said is going to buy is losing, if it continues losing to the downside, that means you are going to lose more. So in order not to lose more, you want to set a limit. You want to set a stop loss level. Okay, so that when the market gets to that point, okay, oh, when since this market is not making giving me profit, since it's losing, when it gets to this point, I don't want it to lose anymore. I want it to just close my trade and give me my money, give me my remaining money. Okay, so that's basically what the stop loss stands for. Then the take profit is, we said this market is going to buy, okay, and is buying gradually already. So when this get to this point, when the market gets to this point, okay, maybe this point, maybe right here, we want it to give us our profit. Okay, we want it to give us our profit, like, this market has gotten to this point. Oh, I don't want to, the profit I've made now is enough for me. I'm okay with it. I don't want to trade anymore. Please give me my profit. That is basically what the take profit means. Okay, so I hope we understand what take profit and stop loss means right now. Okay, so now to set your take profit and your stop loss, you need market price. Okay, you need your market price. And what is your market price? Now let me show you your market price and how you can get your market price. You see these numbers right here, these numbers on the far right, these are market prices. Okay, these are your market prices. Sorry guys. So these are your market prices. Okay, so whenever markets moves, okay, it goes to another price. So right here, maybe this is where you want your stop loss to be. When this market doesn't go up and it starts coming down, You don't want to lose more than this level. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to write out this level. That is your stop loss level. You want to write it out so that when you are placing another trade or on the current trade that you took, you want to enter it there. So how do you do this now? These numbers right here, you write it out. Okay. So mine is showing, I'm sure yours is showing the same tone also. That is 146.245. Okay. And then that is your stop loss. Okay. So that is if you are losing, that is where you want your market to stop losing. Now, what if you are making profit? Okay. You want the market to get to this point and give you your profit. You want this market to move up to this point and give you your profit. So when it gets here, it's as if you are telling the market that when you get to this place, oh yeah, give me my money. I don't want trade again. Give me the profit where I don't make for today. I'm okay. Tomorrow I'll open another trade. Okay, so that's basically what it means. Now you are going to write out these numbers also, and make sure the first numbers we wrote, the first number we wrote, this is the number for the one we wrote from here. This number we wrote, make sure you are labeling it. So label it as your SL. Okay, label it as your SL. That is your stop loss. Then this number here, let's write it out also. And that number is 146.478. Okay, so label that one as well as TP, take profit. TP. Okay, so it's just a way of differentiating between the numbers when we want to enter them into our trade. Okay, so now there are two ways you can actually enter your TP and your stop loss. So the first one is I'm going to show you right now. Now let's place another buy. Okay, our Euro USD, sorry, USD JPY. Let's place another buy. Let's click on buy again. So when you click on buy here, you see we have our SL and TP. Okay, this is stop loss and take profit. So what you want to do now is on your far right here, you want to click this button. So when you click the button, it's going to bring this, okay, these boxes. So what is showing you here is this is where you can enter the numbers that we already wrote out. This is where you can enter the numbers. Okay, so look at this. He says enter the point. Okay, so it's the same thing as enter the price. Okay, so now let's enter the point that we've written out. So you want to clean everything that is there. Now this is our SL. Okay, don't mistake them for each other. Okay, so now the number we wrote down for our SL is 146.245. Okay, that is our SL, that is our stop loss. Then the one we wrote for our TP, that is our which is our take profit, is 146.478. That is our take profit. Okay, and then you want to click buy. You see, we haven't clicked buy like the one we did before. You see, our previous order, we didn't enter all of this. We just go ahead and clicked on buy instantly. Okay, so now this is the first way you can set your TP and stop loss. Okay, we wrote it out and we entered it here. Then we clicked on buy. Now, okay, we clicked on buy. Okay, so if you get something like this, set max SL. So what it's saying here is the least SL you can use is 146.009. Okay, that means your market is approaching your SL already. Okay, is approaching your SL already. So it means when the market is approaching your SL, you can't place it anymore. Okay, you can't tell the market to stop when the market already get to that point. Okay, So there's no way you want to set it. The only thing that you can do is edit it to the number that is showing you. So let's use 146.100 and click buy. You see, it's just as easy as that. Then now we have our order placed successfully. Okay, we have our order placed successfully. So now let's go to trading. Okay, you want to click on trading here. Trading. This is the order we placed just now. This is the new buy order we entered just now, the one with the TP. This is the first one without TP and take profit. Okay, this is the first one without take profit and stop loss. So what you want to do, let me now show you the second way you can enter stop loss and take profit. Okay, so now for this one we didn't initially enter take profit and stop loss. Okay, so what you want to do is you can click any part of any order you want to enter stop loss and take profit on. So just click any part of it, and it's going to drop down these options for you. Okay, so now on this option, you see here we have the take profit slash stop loss. Okay, take profit slash stop loss. What do you do? You see this pencil icon here? It means edit. Okay, this is how you can edit your stop loss and take profit. So click on this pencil icon, and it's going to bring out this box for you where you can edit your trade. Okay, where you can edit your stop loss and your take profit. So, and then if you are using this method, there are other ways you can enter your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, so it said set take profit. You can tell this trade right here that when my market gets to $3, give me my profit. Okay, so you can do this manually without having to enter points. Or you can come here and say set stop loss. So what you're basically saying here is when the market gets to 0.9, which is this first one here, don't lose anymore. When I lose up to $0.9, I'm okay. I don't want to lose any further. Okay, this is the second option. If I lose up to $1.7, I don't want to lose anymore. Okay, so you can select any of these and it's going to set it automatically for you. Okay, you see, okay, so we have $3 here, we have the $5, we have the $8. You can choose any one you want. Okay, depending on how fast you want to make your money. Okay, or you can just enter it manually the same way we did on our previous order. Okay, on our last order. So you can enter it manually here. You just enter the numbers, the one you wrote out from your chart earlier. Okay, so the one you wrote out, this is take profit. It says set take profit. Then you enter the numbers you wrote down for your take profit. Then this is the SL, that is the stop loss. Then here you can enter the numbers you wrote down for your stop loss. Okay, or you can just come here and say when you lose up to 0.9 cents, don't lose anymore. When you make up to $3, I'm okay with the profit, and then you click on confirm. Okay, you see. Okay, set minimum TP. So the TP that we've entered is small. Okay, oh sorry, I made a mistake. I'm actually setting that I want to, if I lose up to $3, I close my trade. If I make up to 0.9 cents, take profit. You see that this is very bad. This is not good. We want to make good profit with less loss, isn't it? So you want the take profit to be higher, and you want your stop loss to be smaller. So this is how it should be. So now you click on confirm. Okay, it's saying set max SL. So that means the money we want to lose is too small. Okay, the money we want to lose is too small compared to where the market is right now. So you want to choose another one, or you can just enter it manually if you already have your coin, your price. Okay, your price point. So okay, now let's use $1.7 as our stop loss level. Okay, so when this market lose up to $1.7, it's going to stop losing, and when we make up to $3 is going to give us profit. Okay, so any of these that happen first is going to close our trade. That's what it basically means. So now click on confirm, and you see TP and SL changed successfully. Then you click on OK. So you see our market is running already. Okay, our market is running already. So guys, we have just 10 minutes to end this live session. If you have any question pertaining to everything that I've explained, please feel free to ask me. If you have any question, feel free to ask me before the end of our live stream. If you have any question whatsoever, if it is about the deposit, our premium group, or what I've explained here, please feel free to ask me now before we end our live session for this evening. Guys, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay. So if there's no question, let me just give you um, something very quickly before we end this live session. Let me show you something very quickly before we end this live session. So now I want to show you how you can easily interpret a signal. Okay? How you can easily interpret a signal. Remember what I said about signals? Signals, you can use signals to make money. Okay? So it's basically, you are not doing anything, but somebody else is telling you to buy or sell. That is what signal is all about. Okay, you are not stressing yourself. So you see, you can see my screen right now. This is how a signal looks like. This is how a signal looks like. And how do you interpret this signal? How do you interpret this signal? So right here we have BtcDana premium signal, scalping trade. Okay, so we have different type of trade. We have different type of traders. We have the scalpers, that is the scalping trade. Then we have the intraday, okay, and then the long traders. So what scalping mean is if you are buying or you are selling, you don't want it to be too far. Okay, so you want to make it, you want to make sharp money. Let's say you have $10 right now, you want to turn it into $20 within 15, 20 to even maybe 1 hour. That is, you want to scalp. Okay, you want to scalp and make sharp money, even if it is $2, $3, $4, $5, but you want it to be in, you don't want it to take too long. Okay, you don't want it to take too long. So that is what scalping trade means. Then we have the intraday trading, which that one you say intraday means within the day, isn't it? Okay, within the day. So what that simply means is any trade that is that carries an intraday as a heading, it means that that trade is going to last for that day. Okay, it's not going to last to the next day. It's going to be for that day, but it could take like maybe few hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. In fact, it could take even up to 11 hours as far as it's still within that day. Okay, that is what that's the difference between the scalping trade and the intraday trading. Now this is a scalping trade and the signal is saying XAU USD. Okay, what is XAU USD? XAU USD is one of our assets on BtcDana trading application. Okay, so it's one of their assets there, and this is, it means gold. This is gold. Anywhere you see XAU USD is gold. Okay. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can get this XAU USD on the chart. But for now, let's finish learning this. So the signal is saying sell. It says sell now. Okay. So when you see sell now, it means execute the market instantly. Go and sell XAU USD instantly. And you see, you remember the numbers we wrote out for our TP and stop loss earlier? You see, we have the same numbers here. So whenever anybody is leaving a signal, the person is going to leave TP and SL also. Okay. So that is, you set your TP. When the price get to that point, it's going to give you a profit. And if you're on the losing side, when the price get to that point, it's going to stop losing. Okay. And give you your remaining balance. Okay. So now, how do you place this order on your chart? How do you take this trade? How do you take this trade? For you to take this trade, all you have to do is just go back to your chart. So let me just go back to my chart and show you how to place such signal. Just remember what the signal says, XAU USD. Okay, so XAU USD, we have our market right here. If you don't know how to go to the market, once you're on this home page like this, once you are on the home page this way, all you want to do is just come to markets. Okay, just down below here, this option market, click on your market and you see all your market here. Okay, this is the market. Then if you don't know where the XAUSD is, just come to this box. Okay, this round box, this round option is a search box. Okay, a search bar. Then here you can enter the signal XAUUSD. Just enter it this way and it's going to bring it out. Then you click on it. Okay, so you see I clicked on mine and it brought out the chart. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is, the signal says sell XAUUSD. Okay, so then I sell. Okay, the signal said sell XAUUSD. Okay, and when you have a real account, always remember you always remember to change your demo to real. Okay, if you have a real account, just click on it and click on real account. That is your real money. Okay, so if you take a signal, that means you want to make real money. Okay, but for learning purpose, stick to your demo account. Okay, so now you want to place a sell trade because the signal says sell. You want to place your sell, set your TP and stop loss right here, enter the numbers that is on the stop loss and enter the number that is on the TP. Okay, then click on sell. Okay, it's just as simple as that. Okay, so guys, that is basically how you can start trading on BtcDana trading application. Okay, so mind you, this is not an investment platform. This is a platform where you can, yeah, it is there for you to make money, but you have to start, you have to know how to open position and close position, know how to trade. Okay, and remember everything that I've taught you on, using your indicators, your moving averages. Okay, when the blue is on top of the purple, it means sell. When the purple is on top of the blue, it means buy. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. So I think we've come to the end of this live stream for this evening. Our next session is tomorrow by 2 p.m. noon. Okay, and on that session, we'll be analyzing the market together and placing trades. Okay, we'll be analyzing the market and placing trades. So by 2 p.m. tomorrow, make sure you are coming with your real account, not your demo account. On the evening session is for demo, okay, it's for learning. The afternoon session is to make money. So when you are coming to make money, you want to have your real account. Okay, so if you don't have real account, you can always deposit on the live stream tomorrow. And when you deposit, you use it to open position. You use the money to make more money. Okay, and make sure you are depositing up to $15, because when you deposit up to $15, you have benefit of joining the premium group. Okay, and when you join the premium group, you make better money. Better money. So assuming you are having $15, and before the end of the week, you already have like $30. Isn't that interesting? Yeah. So guys, that's how it works. Okay. So have a good night rest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.